welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. You're looking at my very dirty fire pit. Now today we are going to use a piece of rope and a piece of cottonish underwear. Well, it's not the whole piece, it's just a part of it. And we are going to be using this, the red part. Sorry about the dogs. Sorry about, the red part of a piece of cheese, the wax, and then a kid's crayon. Now I am going to show you how to use these to make some of the most awesome fire lighters in the world. The piece of underwear you just wrap around the piece of crayon. Because these things are wax based, if you light one end of this now, it's going to do a inside out candle and it will burn forever. Okay, so you can use that as a candle or as a fire starter. Then the same thing with the cheese wax and the piece of cotton rope. Okay, I think they call this, I cannot remember what they call this, but this is nice and moldable. So this thing you just mold around your piece of rope. Now again, as this thing melts, it will make a, that will actually make a legit candle. So let's do this and see how this works. Okay, I'm gonna kill a few dogs, but I hope you can see that that thing is actually still working, because as it is burning, it will get better. Let's try that one. Now, like I said, this is fantastic for fire lighters or even a candle in an emergency. Yes, so the warmer it gets, the more of the wax soaks into the cotton and the better these things work. Okay, hope that will help somebody someday. Well, in a emergency situation, you will most likely not have a braai lighter, but you can start off a piece of cotton, for example, with your ferro rod, and then just do this later. Okay, so stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye. Okay, this is my inside out crayon candle. Look at it. It's working like magic. So hopefully you never need to use this as a fire starter or as a light source, but if you have to, then this will be great. Okay, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.